Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Tired of wrestling with incompatible controllers for Devil May Cry HD Collection on PC? Good news! You can effortlessly use your PlayStation 4 controller to enjoy these iconic games. The native support for older gamepads can be a real headache, but we have a straightforward solution. This guide will walk you through a simple, updated method for 2025, ensuring smooth demon-slaying action with your preferred controller. Get ready to experience the collection in comfort. To get started, your main companion will be DS4 Windows, a fantastic free application. It acts as a bridge, allowing your PlayStation 4 controller to mimic an Xbox 360 gamepad, which the Devil May Cry HD Collection natively recognizes. Of course, have your PS4 controller charged and ready. You'll also need either a USB cable for a wired connection or a Bluetooth adapter if you prefer wireless freedom. This setup is surprisingly simple. First, head over to the official GitHub page for DS4 Windows to download the most current release. Once downloaded, simply extract the files to a location you prefer, then double-click the DS4 Windows executable. It will guide you through a quick setup process, prompting you to install essential drivers. This usually involves just 1 or 2 clicks. Remember to run DS4 Windows as an administrator for proper functionality, ensuring your controller is detected correctly. Once DS4 Windows is running, plug in your PlayStation 4 controller using a USB cable or pair it via Bluetooth. Your controller should immediately appear within the Controllers tab of the application. Now, simply select your controller and then apply an input profile, which makes it act like an Xbox 360 controller. You can then save this profile. DS4 Windows will automatically begin emulating, allowing Devil May Cry HD Collection to recognize your gamepad seamlessly. Should you experience any control oddities, first ensure your USB cable is secure or that your Bluetooth connection is stable. Double-check that DS4 Windows is actively running and clearly shows your PlayStation 4 controller as connected before you even launch the game. Sometimes, a quick restart of DS4 Windows can resolve minor glitches. With these simple steps, you are now fully equipped to enjoy the Devil May Cry HD Collection on PC, experiencing all the demon-slaying action with your comfortable PS4 controller.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.